Welcome to the most expensive home in the entire world. So the chateau was built in 1651 and took 10 years to complete. Built by the same architect who designed the Palace of Versailles. It has 40 bedrooms, 5 living rooms. Welcome to the royal dining room. These were actually a gift to Napoleon from the King of Sweden. And of course, you can open up these doors and have a view of the entire garden. Look how far the land stretches in this drone shot. The royal sitting room, complete with a wheelchair from Marie Antoinette's son right here. That's his actual wheelchair. The art alone in here might be worth more than the home itself. Your royal ballroom with gold leafing everywhere. The king's bedroom, where the royalty is made. It comes with a 2-story library with over 20,000 historical books in here. These are actually real mummies. Kind of creepy. What else is kind of creepy is that there's a secret door behind one of the bookshelves which leads up a stairwell with the walls painted red, full of mummified animals, which leads to a lone bedroom at the top of a staircase with a huge bathtub. The chateau also has a grotto, and I haven't even shown you the Indian palace that's for rent. Follow for more.